What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a great day. I hope you're having a good day, but today is a great day for me, and let me tell you why. Because we have the parts back from paint for the Sierra pickup truck. That means it's getting closer and closer to being finished. And well, if you've caught any of my last videos, I'm getting tired of working on this project. And I know my paint guy is probably tired of me. He generally works on big, huge projects, kind of like my 55, and he probably doesn't have time for me bringing him all this junk to paint. But anyway, we have the parts back, so let's go out and take a look at what we've got. I got my tailgate back on. It is repainted. He resprayed the tailgate. He color matched the handle, the bezel, color matched the back bumper. He also, I actually bought a new bumper pad because the old one was worn out, and I'll list all these things down below that I purchased. But this is how I fixed the fender issue. Obviously, when you've seen this truck to begin with, it had chrome on the fenders that wore through the paint. I touched those areas up, but it just didn't look good enough, so I went with some factory fender flares I found at a salvage yard. They were actually already green, but I had him reshoot them. And I'm generally not a fender flare guy, but this looks way better than having that mark from where those old pieces were on there. And on the front, the lower valance, I bought a piece that I could use for fog lights. Also wanted it painted, so as you can see, it's color matched. And sorry it's super dirty, it's been raining, it's nasty, and I will clean it up. But we have a few other things to do today. As you can see, the hitch here is laying on the ground. I got to put it back on. And then I also bought some new mirrors that had the color matched, or the paintable caps. So I'm going to put those on, as well as color matched door handles. So got quite a few things to do here. And I'm going to start with the hitch. So let's get going. Now that we have the hitch on, I'm going to put new lights in. So I bought some LEDs, just 194 bulbs, and new pieces, the housing itself, because my old ones were all faded. And then of course we need to put in a new piece to hold the license plate screws. So that's our next step. And then once we get this done, we're gonna move on to the door handles. unfortunately, I did not have time to get the mirror caps on, and there's a couple reasons why. So I probably could have put them on today, but I wanted to give them a little more cure time since they are catching all the bugs on the front of the car. Now, I went ahead and put the valance on because it was easier while I was out there to put it on. I didn't show you guys that in video or the fender flares, but I had him help me put that stuff on when I went to pick it up. It was just easier doing that than having it hauled. So in the next video, I will put the mirrors on and a few other things, but let's give you a walk around the truck to take a look at what it looks like now. As you can see, this truck is really coming together, and like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm getting tired of working on it, so that is awesome. But we still have a few other things to do, so hopefully you like this video, guys. If you do, please go down, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel. Also, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that. And while you're down there subscribing, you might as well hit that bell icon. That way you know every time I drop a new video. So stay tuned to see how we finish this truck up.